Hello viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel, where we regularly post entertaining and educational films. We're going to discuss about one of the most favored and well-liked year-round fruits in the world today, bananas. In addition to being delicious, bananas also offer some unique facts that you may not be aware of. So let's get started with the subject for today. What are 3 facts about bananas? Number 1. Did you know that bananas come in a variety of colors? Bananas can be green, yellow, or even speckled in addition to their standard yellow color. The ripeness of the banana is indicated by the various colors. Unripe bananas are green, ripe bananas are yellow, and highly delicious bananas are spotted. Number 2. Bananas are an excellent source of vitamins and fiber. In addition to being sweet and tasty, bananas are also healthy for you. They contain vitamin C, vitamin B6, and potassium, all of which are excellent for heart health and lowering blood pressure, as well as a high fiber content that aids in digestion. Number 3. Berries are bananas. Yep, you're right. One of the most well-known and largest fruits in the world, bananas are actually berries. It's interesting that they are formally categorized as a berry and that they grow in clusters.